Good morning, my tribe. This is Nancy Kita, and welcome back to another beautiful vlog. So, in today's video, it's going to be a vlog because I'm not prepared to only post this. Yeah, it needs to be long. So, a great good morning. I'm doing fine, and I hope you're also doing fine. And thank you so much for tuning in for another vlog. Yeah, so I just woke up and I'm watching my favorite Kenyan Lynn Ngugi. Yeah, I watch her a lot. If you want to get motivated, inspired, why not watch Lynn Ngugi? Because she's just the best. Okay, so let me show you what I'm preparing for the morning. I woke up and then I've been craving for fries, guys. I've been craving for fries, so I thought, why not? Let me make some. And then this is my tea. Normally, when I cook fries, I normally prefer to take black tea because it goes along with the fries. Yeah, because you all know with the fries you have to include like ketchup and all that. And with milk with ketchup, I don't think it goes well. Let me know down on the comment section if you prefer fries with milk. I don't know. Some prefers it with juice and others, but because it's in the morning, I wanna take it with black tea. Yeah. So don't worry about the things that you see. These are spices. Yeah. Tea masala. Yeah. These are spices that you see there. Let me actually show you. Yeah. For the people, don't come for me. These are the spices that it's a spice seasoning for tea, and I normally add these: tea masala, cardamoms, cinnamon, and the others that I've forgotten the name. So this is what I'm going to do. This is what I want to prepare. I've already cut them into pieces, and then this is my kachumbari salad. Is it salad? African Swahili salad. Let me just name it as Swahili salad. You can add lemon on this and then a little bit of a pinch of salt. Yeah, and it goes so well with the fries. So that's what I want to do. I've already cooked my tea and I just want to prepare these. Yeah, and then we go on with the day. Yeah, I hope you're doing well. I'm fine, as you can see. I just woke up and then I thought, why not, let me vlog. Yeah, let me vlog. So this is me and I'm inside my house and it feels good to have you here. Thank you so much for always supporting me. From now henceforth, I'll be calling you my tribe because you're my tribe. Yeah, because you tuned in, I call you my tribe. Yeah, and you mean a lot to me. So see you once I'm done preparing my fries. So guys, my fries are still cooking, and then I've already mixed the salt in my kachumbari, and then that's another fries. Yeah, because my frying pan is not big. And then I will also add eggs. Yeah, I will cook eggs separately. And then this is my tea. I'm still having it. Yeah. This is a not so healthy food, but because we have these, this will take, like, we take this instead of vegetables, because just like is tomato a vegetable or a fruit? I don't know, but this one will take the space of the vegetables that we are supposed to be eating, because we all know anytime you have a meal, make sure you have the vegetables, yeah, aside. So this is it, and this is me. This is your girl. This is your girl, and it feels good to have you here. Feels good. My tribe. I love you so much. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I don't know if I'll show you once I'm done, but in case I don't show you, just know that I was so hungry, because I am hungry. I haven't eaten anything. Okay. So take care of yourselves. So guys, I've already cooked my fries together with the eggs, and then this is my Swahili salad. I don't know how you call this type of salad in English, okay? So I had to name it Swahili salad. And then this is my tea is almost finished because I was still having it while I was cooking. So this is it. That's how it is. It looks so good. It looks so delicious because it is delicious, okay? So yeah, see you tomorrow because I'm not sure if I'll be vlogging the rest of today, but see you tomorrow, my people. Looks so yummy.